Welcome back to B2B Marketing Agency Insights. I'm your host, Austin LaRoche, CEO at Attack Interactive. Today I want to talk about LinkedIn Sales Navigator and my two favorite parts about LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now the first one is its ability to really find a target market. You know, I hear companies all the time, well, should we buy a list? Should we buy this list? And it's like, oh God, you know, thousands of people with mildly accurate information who mean nothing. It's just so annoying. With LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and all great sales teams know this, there's not a better way to really hone in and find your target market. You can use all of the different parameters set, right? Job title, company size, geographic location. It's so robust. I cannot recommend LinkedIn Sales Navigator enough to be able to find your target market. There's not a better tool in the world at finding. If I said to you, give me your top 20 prospects in the world, exactly who you're looking for. There's not a better tool or a better way to find them universally than LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I know some of you probably have some sneaky industry-focused way of doing something where you go, no, Austin, I could do this. But universally speaking, for all of us, for us mortals, the best way is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. The demographics are incredible. Now the second best part of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I gotta be honest, it's seeing those people who maybe you don't like them, maybe they passed you up in a job interview years ago, but when you see those people looking at your profile, when you see those people keeping tabs on you, seeing what you're up to, not a better feeling in the world. It's not. There's not a better feeling in the world. We go through all sorts of professional up and downs. We have our allies. I don't want to say we have our enemies, but I'll say we have people that maybe we butt heads with. And when those people are checking out what you're doing, when you're not even thinking about them at all, whoo! God, not a better feeling in the world. So go ahead. This is not like an advertisement for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I love the tool for those two reasons. Very authentic, okay? Helps me figure out where my target market's at, and it helps me feel better about myself when I see people from my past trying to keep tabs on me, seeing how I'm doing. There you go. Raw, honest answer. That's what you get at B2B Marketing Agency Insights. For better or worse. Again, I'm Austin LaRoche saying, good luck growing.